Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum. Learn Tajweed the easy way. Lesson 15b. Practice Surah Al-Ikhlas verses 3 and 4. Let's take Tajweed tip number 15. Practice for long breath. You can recite Surah Al-Fatiha in just one breath. This is just for practice. In Salah, it is better to recite one ayah at a time. So let us start. You can recite with me. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. Alright, so now let's take the part of Surah Al-Ikhlas, the last two verses. So we can start from beginning. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد. We have لم يلد ولم يولد. لم يلد. There is qalqala at dal. So you don't say لم يلد. No. لم يلد ولم يولد. Wa should be very clear. Don't say لم يلد wa. It's not English V. It's not V. Whenever you say wow, you have to make your lips round and then open it. Wa. Lam yalid wa lam yulad. In the beginning, you can exaggerate during practice, not during recitation, so you get control. Wa lam yulad. Again, at the end, you have qalqala. So, can you repeat after me? Lam yalid wa lam yulad. Lam yalid wa lam yulad. Again. Lam yalid wa lam yulad. Again. Lam yalid wa lam yulad. Walam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. Wa. Again, make sure you make your lips round and then open it. Wa. Walam yakul lahu. There is no noon there. Noon will be completely gone. Merged with lam. Yakul lahu. The end has mad. Lahu. You have to stretch double. So can you repeat? Walam yakul lahu. Walam yakul lahu. Again. Walam yakul lahu. And when you say hu, any madda, you have to make lips round. Hu. Yakul lahu. No. Lahu. Make your lips round so it will be very clear and distinct. Kufuwan ahad. Here, kufuwan. 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 No. Kufuwan. Okay. Repeat. Kufuwan. 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 Okay. Don't say kufuwan. No, don't merge it. Kufuwan. Kufuwan. Ahad. A. Should be clear. Ha should be clear. And again qalqala at the end. Ahad. 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 So let us take the verse. وَلَمْ يَكُنْ لَهُ كُفُوًا أَحَدٌ. وَلَمْ يَكُنْ لَهُ كُفُوًا أَحَدٌ. That's it for now. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum. Please visit understandquran.com for our courses on Read Al-Quran, Learn Tajweed and Understand Al-Quran, and for one-to-one learning. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum.